Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. My interface board is back in stock. For those of you who are new to this video or new to my channel, I design and build a plug-and-play interface board for the Retevis RT97S or the Midland MXR10 GMRS two-way radio repeaters. What this interface board does, it allows you to hook up either a Raspberry Pi or a computer. That computer can be a desktop, laptop, mini PC, so you can run programs like date and time, weather announcements, your repeater ID, and Zello if you choose to. You can have that go over your airwaves, and the date and time can even go over Zello if you choose that option within the software. Now, plug and play, I literally means you plug this board in and a couple of clicks, you're up and running, okay? Now, it's very important that you go to my forum that I have on my forum, I have a category about this interface board. I'll post that link down below. This is going to tell you what other items you're going to need for this interface board to work. Like, for an example, a USB sound card, a USB DB9 adapter. All that information, the software is on there, how to set it up, how to purchase this board, all that is on my forum. So it's very important that you read that, especially if you want to use a Raspberry Pi. I've done videos on the Raspberry Pi running Windows. And there's a special cable you got to buy. So make sure you understand this before you purchase the interface board, okay? So I just want to point that out right off the bat about that. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.